As we're working with a plastic, we need some very sharp tools, so I'll be using high-speed steel. Now I normally use an insert parting off tool, so I know for a fact my high-speed steel parting off blade is in terrible condition. So I'm going to regrind it. Quite lucky I've got one of these Jones and Shipman grinding vices, which is really handy. I've set, I'm not sure if you can see that, I've set the front angle should be about 15. Can you see that? Not sure if you can. This front angle anyway is 15, and I've put a very slight amount of front clearance as well. So I'm grinding it so that it cuts on this side first, so it should leave a nice edge. And that's I think I've set that to 5 degrees, which is on this scale here. So I'll have a go at grinding this. I'll see if I can set it up so that you can see what's going on. I might be able to go on the end of the grinding table, so have a go at that. With this setup, it's quite hard to see where I'm cutting, so I'm just going to put felt tip pen on the end there, and then I can. It's quite handy having this mirror. Actually, I can see exactly what's going on in the mirror. So we'll give that a go and see how much of that edge is actually cleaned up. So this is my view in the mirror. That's the edge there that we're looking at, and there's no felt tip on the whole edge, so that's all been ground to the right angles, hopefully. So it's quite a coarse wheel, but we've got a nice decent edge there, so I think that should be good enough. I'll hone the top cut-in face, which is because there's a little bit of a roll over there, but we'll give that a go. At least all the chipped edge has disappeared now. That should be a lot better. Hard to see, but that top edge has been honed just using an oil stone by hand. I think that'll be alright. We'll give it a go. As I'm using high-speed steel, I'm going to be using my eccentric engineering diamond tool holder. That comes with a jig which is designed to sharpen the front face on the curved part of a wheel. And that's not very easy for me to do on this cutter grinder, so what I've done is I've set my vise up for 0 on this side, and so I had to just double check. So that's set to 7. I've just put some felt tip on the end there. You can see how it gets its name. The other name for these is tangential tool, because it cuts tangentially rather than the normal type of tool geometry. Okay, so that should be fine. As you can see, all the felt tip's gone. We've got quite a nice surface finish there. So I'll hone that by hand, and then we're good to go.